Well, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is very sensitive, and I think we should come out with that topic and we should discuss with that. So the topic is depression. Yes, the name itself a depressed word, I know. But see, nowadays what is happening because of the nuclear family. See, I'm not giving directly the what are the points, but just want to talk superficially. If you like this video, I'm going to talk about much more in detail. So let's talk about superficially today. When you talk about the depression, what is exactly depression? हमें कुछ चीज़ें करनी है, नहीं हो रही है, वर्क प्रेशर है, स्ट्रेस है, लाइफ से हमें कुछ गोल पाना है, वो नहीं मिल रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैनी थिंग्स देर इज़ अ प्रेशर ऑन दी योर सेल्फ, एंड हम लोग फुलफिल नहीं कर पाते हैं कुछ चीज़ें, तो उसकी वजह से हम लाइक अंडर एस्टिमेट कर देते हैं हमारी पावर को. बट गाइज, डू यू नो ह्यूमन बीइंग इज़ अ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी पर्सन. Many people are done their extraordinary effects and we know that remarkable things. But the problem is that why we underestimate ourselves, why we don't give a chance to others. Don't just quit, yaar. Before quit any work, anything, just try one more. See, it's quite easy to say someone यार डिप्रेशन है, चल बात करते हैं, या फिर चल इसको हटा दे, या फिर ये टॉपिक निकाल, या फिर कुछ और करते हैं. बट द पर्सन विच इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट डिप्रेशन इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम और हर टू ओवरकम. So what is the problem exactly? Suppose there is a problem initially, you can handle this situation superficially at initial level. That is more important, because see what happened in our brain, there are some chemical toxins or chemical substance are releasing when you, okay, let's give example. Suppose you are in a bad mood, and then what do you feel? You hearing the songs which is sad songs, and the mood will bring continuously. So what happen in this case, वो मूड वैसे ही बना जाता है. वही चीज़ हम लोग करें, अगर मूड ऑफ है, कुछ थोड़ी डिफरेंट वीडियो देखे, या फिर जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल, ओके, कोई और थोड़ा सा मूड स्विच करे ना उस टाइम, तो वो हमारा थिंकिंग प्रोसेस उस टाइम थोड़ा सा रुक जाता है. सी, द वन हु इज़ सफरिंग, I mean, it's very difficult for him or her to overcome all the things. But still, I'm suggesting just stop. See, earlier there is a joint family, so there are many people who look after you. What are you doing? What are you not doing? बहुत लोग ऐसे देखते थे. बट अभी क्या हो गया ना, बिकॉज ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, बिकॉज ऑफ दी fake socialism, what happened exactly? The people are not showing what they are from the inside. They just want to show off. See, I'm not saying to all. Some people are there, few people, and they like that personality, and I guess it's their opinion and we should respect them. There is no problem. But the one who has a depressed mind or depressed personality is going to suffer a lot. So how can you overcome this? There are many methods, many things, but the thing is that, okay, let's talk about one example. Suppose my mood is off and I want to switch my mind, I want to do yoga, I want to do meditation. But what is the problem right now? At the stage here, your mind is not stable, you are unstable, and suddenly you are trying to be a calm at that position, so it will be a problematic. So that time what we have to do is like, first make sure your mood should be normal and then start different things. That is a problem. What happens, suddenly आप कोई भी चीज़ करने जाते हो फोर्सफुली. अगर मेरा मूड ऑफ है और मैं अभी करने जाऊँगा कि नहीं मुझे मेडिटेशन नहीं करना है, बट नहीं, वो अनस्टेबल नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, घोड़े को लगाम लगानी है, तो हमारा माइंड बहुत विवरी है. तो एग्जांपल देखिए, अगर घोड़े को लगाम लगानी है तो पहली बार आप उसको बांध के रखोगे ना, नहीं, वो बहुत हिचकिचाएगा, नहीं आएगा. वही चीज़ आप क्या करोगे, उसके गले में थोड़ी सी रस्सी बांध दो, रस्सी ऐसे ही छोड़ दो, घूमेगा. थोड़े दिन के बाद वो रस्सी थोड़ी और लंबी करो, थोड़े बांध के रखो, लेकिन ऐसे छोड़ दो, मतलब वो दूर तक घूमते रहेगा. धीरे धीरे करते 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 उसको थोड़ा पास में लाओ. एंड दिस इज़ अ मेथड यू कैन कंट्रोल the mind, because mind is like very unstable, thousand of the thoughts coming in the 1 second, 1 minute. So it's, we have to stop somewhere. See, thinking is correct, but overthinking is a very problematic. See, overthinking में हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, डिप्रेशन का कारण यही है कि हम लोग overthinking कर देते हैं. और see, I am not a doctor over here to tell you what is depression, what is not. I am giving you the thoughts, suggestion according to me, what I have observed. So if you like those things, please go ahead. If you don't like it, it's your opinion. Okay, so basically what I'm talking about right now is like, in that case, how can you handle is, you should follow your hobby, I can say. You should follow the things which you like, and just forget about that topic. Try to forget about that. For example, if the person is trying to overcoming for his bad relationship, so he is not blaming others, because relationship if is what दोनों की होती है ना, दोनों को इक्वली चलना पड़ता है. अगर नहीं वर्कआउट हुई तो इट्स ओके. डोंट टेक टू मच स्ट्रेस, दैट इज़ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. सी इट्स लाइफ में अप एंड डाउन्स आते रहते हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी टू से अप एंड डाउन्स आते होते हैं, बट एक्चुअली द वन हु इज सफरिंग ही हैज़ टू नो. सी हम लोग को नहीं पता सामने वाला क्या सोच रहा है, वो कहाँ से गुजरा है, कौन से थिंकिंग में वो है, या फिर ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो इस टाइम हमें क्या करना चाहिए ना, वी जस्ट डोंट judge book by its cover, definitely. And the thing is that, see, again I'm talking in a superficial manner right now. The thing which you can do is like, be calm, try to analyze what's going on. If there is a way, definitely will be a way. If there is a proper way, please follow it. If there is no way, just keep quiet for a while. Just try to analyze what's going on, what's not wrong, or what is going wrong, or what is a problematic something. Then you can start, or then you can move to the next step. Otherwise what happens, you just keep thinking, you're not doing anything, you're in mind thinking, and that is a problem. That is a real problem, because when you think overly, when you overthink it, it is a problem, because our mind secrets, our brain secrets some toxins in that mode of situation where you are depressed, right? I'm not going to talk about what are the chemicals. When I'm going to detail, I will talk about in detail manner. But right now, see, somebody is depressed. Now there is a scenario, I'm very depressed today. That doesn't mean he's into depression, but try to understand or try to analyze, is the situation real for that person, and then try to talk. See, talking or coming out from what is going on in the mind is very not difficult, I can say, but it's here to take you have to take step. Nobody going to pull you. You have to come out what is the problem. Sometimes things are very small things, but मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो आम्ही की थेंबे थेंबे तळे साचे, मीन्स बूंद बूंद से दरिया बन जाता है. तो वही चीज़ें होती है. हम लोग कोई चीज़ें मतलब सेंसिटिव होते हैं हम लोग, तो कोई चीज़ें को हम लोग ऐसे ही ले लेते दिल पे, तो वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाती है आगे जाके. तो ट्राई टू फिगर आउट and don't take a too much stress. That is more important. Be healthy, be fit, that is more important. And try to be yourself, that is more important any other, because you are in this world, you have your life, you have your opinion, and definitely you have a remote control of your life. So just don't end it, or just don't go a dramatic way. Just try to figure out what is right for you and enjoy. That is more important. Each every second or every moment, try to enjoy, try to give your energy out and take energy from the universe. That is more important. See, in the next video I'm going to talk about the subconscious mind. How can you control the things, not exactly control, but how can you actually switch yourself so much active. So I'm going to talk about that. So definitely stay tuned with me. Okay, chalo, thank you.